everyone, welcome to DIY Immigration. You must be wondering that what is this DIY process? You have heard about DIY, but how come it can be in immigration? Well friends, today I am going to exactly tell you how this system works. But before that, let me tell you there are three main problems when anyone thinks about immigration. First problem, there is an issue of trust. How do you trust an agent or a consultant for your complete application? Second problem, you do not have sufficient information. There is so much information overload right now on the internet, especially on YouTube and so many websites, that it will take you years to just understand and get to the right source. Third, there is no control with you when you are doing your application. The consultant or the company takes control of your application and you are put behind a invisible screen. You can't just see your application as well. It is very difficult. Friends, how about a solution where all these three problems are solved? And yes, that solution is DIY. Now, let me also tell you that when you decide to do it yourself, you still are not able to solve all these three problems, because the problem of information as well as guidance still remains. And that is the reason why we came up with this DIY immigration system. Here we combine the best of both the worlds. We bring you the right information, to the point information and guidance, whereas you take control of your application. You make sure it is heading into the right direction. Using these two beautiful worlds together, we have created this DIY immigration system where you get access to a world-class expert, a world-class system and guidance scenario, whereas you, using that scenario, are able to file one step at a time your complete immigration file. Now friends, another thing that you must get to know is that this DIY immigration process is a step-by-step process. It is a modular structure. Here, first we encourage you to go to our website, which is DIYimmigrations.com, which is also given in the description in this video. Go to our website, check out what all it is about, and also get to see our e-booklets as well as some informational videos. Once you are more confident about this, you book yourself a discovery call with one of our experts. In this 30-minute call, you will be able to assess whether you have the right file for immigration and whether you will be able to do it yourself. Once you are confident about this call that yes, you can handle your immigration file, that is when you enter into our immigration process. Here in this wonderful portal that we have designed for you, you get a login and a password. You log on to our website's portal and you get access to a series of step-by-step instructional videos along with checklists, along with ebooks, and access to one-on-one consultation with an expert. So just taking one step at a time, you are able to proceed with your immigration application, taking counseling and guidance at each step and making sure you do it right. This is the beauty of our immigration system, where we put the power back into your hand and we do not give you any false information. Another thing to note here, friends, is that lots and lots of videos are available on YouTube which sort of help you to go through the process. But let me tell you one thing. Are they made to sell you something or are they made to guide you? Here, when you become part of the DIY immigration system, you have already bought whatever you had to purchase. Now, all the videos are to the point, exactly talking about the process. There is no sales involved. We are not selling you anything. In fact, our expert will at each stage tell you what you may do wrong and help you avoid those mistakes. So with this wonderfully designed by experts DIY immigration system, you can be in your dream destination in no time and live a great life with your family and live the life of your dreams. Thank you.